Hello and welcome. Why January matters for taxes. Most tax problems don't start in April. They start in January. By the time most people think about taxes, the stress has already begun. That's because preparation didn't happen early enough. January is when employers, banks, investment firms, and government agencies begin preparing your tax slips. It's also when the Canada Revenue Agency starts matching information behind the scenes. So when people wait until March or April to think about taxes, they're reacting instead of planning. And that's when mistakes happen. January is the month to slow down and get organized. This is the time to review last year's notice of assessment, confirm your CRA My Account access, and start gathering records. Not everything will be available yet, and that's okay. You don't need every tax slip in January, but you do need a system. One simple habit makes a huge difference. Create a folder for the 2026 tax season today. It can be a physical folder, a digital folder, or both. Label it clearly, 2026 taxes. From now on, every document that relates to income, deductions, or benefits goes into that folder. Pay summaries, donation receipts, medical receipts, business or side income records. When tax season arrives, you're not scrambling. You're ready. People who prepare in January file more accurate returns, catch missing slips early, and avoid last-minute stress. They also reduce the risk of CRA follow-ups. Tax preparation is not an April event. It's a January habit. So today, don't try to do everything. Just do one thing. Create your 2026 tax folder and start putting documents in it. That's how you take control of tax season before it controls you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share, and comment to help others get ready for tax season.